Exports. I'm here today to go over the 2024 Brio by PrinceCraft. This little boat here is 17 foot, and what makes it so special is it's all electric. Corner will go here, and for any of your lakes or ponds that you cannot have a gas engine, is the Brio 17 by PrinceCraft. We have the battery system. It's a 24-volt system, and it's got a fast charge battery charger on it, and it's extra fast, so the recovery time is so much smaller. The fishing rod holders and a live well for you. Then we go up here, and we have plenty of storage on both sides, as well as some storage left in the battery. Hope to see you soon. Come down and see the Brio 17.